Once I've created my first bucket, I can go ahead and upload files. Now there's a number of options for uploading files, so I'm going to take you back to home to show you them all. Okay, so the first option we have here is upload files. This opens a separate web applet which you can use to upload files from your computer. I'm going to open this to show you. Okay, so once this opens up, you'll see the uploader. Here on the left hand side are the documents on my own computer, so I can choose whereabouts I want to look for various documents. And here on the right hand side are the two buckets in my account. Now it's important that you don't use the eZs3 bucket here, which starts with eZs3, as this is really just for your account maintenance. So I'm going to upload something into my new bucket that I've just created by double clicking on it to open it, and I can see now that it's the main name at the top here. And I'm going to go ahead and search through my documents for a file to upload. Okay, so now I have some example videos to upload. I'm going to go ahead and upload one. So I'm going to upload one of my MP4 videos. So I click on the green arrow which shoots across to upload the selected files. And down at the bottom I have a running total of how much has been uploaded and roughly how long it's going to take. So I can see that this is going to take at least half an hour. I can simply minimize the upload and go ahead and do something else on my computer while I'm waiting. It's important though that you remain logged in while this is happening, otherwise your upload will stop. Another option we have is the desktop file manager, which you don't have to remain logged in to use. So I'm going to show you this one now. Click on search, and you see it's this link down here. It's a permanent link, so you'll always be able to find it. Click on desktop file manager, and then I have an option between either downloading the Windows version or the Mac version, depending which computer I'm using. And I am on Windows, so I'm going to click on the Windows one, and that'll start a download, and the package will download in a zip file to your computer, and you can click on it when it's finished and click on the link to get it going and select yes. And then follow the messages through next, 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 and it will install the desktop file manager for you. And then I'm going to run it so you can see how it looks. I need to go back to my CSV file that I just downloaded from Amazon. In Associate Keys, you can check out the guide for finding your keys and paste them in here. So I'm going to delete the current entries and enter my keys. So this is my secret key from my CSV file and my access key. It's important you don't share these with anybody and you update them regularly. Whoops, just a minute, I've lost it. And put in my username and password. And click on Authenticate Credentials. And now what you can see here is the eZs3 desktop file manager. So it's quite similar to the web uploader. You see here on the left I've got a list of all the files that are currently on my desktop, and I can click here on the search button to go in and find my various folders. And on the right hand side I have a list of my current buckets in my AWS account. Again, it's important that you double click on a bucket which isn't your eZs3 bucket to upload into there. Also, the thing that you can do with this that you can't do with a web uploader is rename buckets. So if I click here, I've got an option of rename, delete or change the ACL. These are the permissions. These are covered in our tutorial guides if you do a search eZs3, but these should normally be set to private. I can also add folders or buckets from here so that I don't have to go through and do it in my eZs3 account. And then the uploads I do here can keep running whilst I'm not logged into eZs3, so I can be off doing other things if necessary. I'm going to log out here now of the desktop file manager and show you our third and final way of uploading content to your eZs3 account. So the third and final way of uploading content to your eZs3 account is to do it directly in the folder. This is great if you're having any Java issues, as this uploader doesn't rely on Java at all. So I'm going to click on Browse Files here at the eZs3 home panel, and I'm going to select my tester bucket down here at the bottom. I'm going to scroll down so you can see what's here in my bucket. So I do have an option up here for upload files on the top right, which is again going to open the web applet that I used at the very beginning of this tutorial. But this time I want to use the Java uploader, which is down here at the bottom left. I'm going to click on Upload File. This will open up my documents. So I'm going to go ahead and find some example videos. And I'm going to upload this example video here. I can see the progress. This is a progress bar here of my upload, and I can see that I've already reached 1%. This is a rather large video, so it may take a while. It's important that I don't navigate away from this page while the upload is happening. I can, however, open up eZs3 in another tab and do different things as long as I'm not inside in this bucket. But the best thing is just leave this running, go off and do something else on another tab, maybe my computer, while this runs. It's also important to stay logged in while this is happening. eZs3 will notify me every 40 minutes to stay logged in. This is to protect your account security. So I'm going to leave this running, and at the end you will see that it's all been uploaded. So now I can see my progress bar has disappeared and the video has successfully uploaded to my account. Now I'm ready to go ahead and make a player.